In this video I will show you step by step how you can connect a Bluetooth device if it's not working and not connecting to your Android phone. So the first thing we need to do to sort out this problem is head over to our settings, and then once we head over to settings, scroll down now until we see the option for About Phone. Click on About Phone and then you'll be brought to this page right here where you can scroll down to the bottom of this page and then select Reset. Once we do this, what we can do then is scroll down until we see the option for Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Settings. Click on this and then go down to the bottom button there and click on Reset Settings. As you can see, my Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings have now been reset, so what I can do is drag down from the top of my page, enable my Bluetooth, and then open up my Bluetooth, connections. So as you can see, what you can do now is search for your Bluetooth device, and then once it has been found, click on the device that you want to go ahead and connect to your mobile phone, and this should fix any problems that you are having with Bluetooth not connecting to any specific device. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.